In a world that's all about showing more, doing more, and getting instant validation, choosing modesty isn't just different, it's powerful. But not for the reasons you might think. When I say modesty, this is not just related to fashion and covering up. It's a mindset. It's about knowing what to reveal and when. This kind of confidence doesn't need to scream to get noticed. It's like an act of rebellion that has the power to completely change the game. Modesty is like the anti-fast fashion of personal style. It's timeless, intentional, and proves that less can actually do more. When you're not revealing everything at once, you're inviting people to lean in and pay attention. This is the art of withholding. The less you give away, the more valuable it seems. Think about it. Limited edition, VIP access, only one left, that scarcity tactic that brands use. Modesty works the same way. It's the art of revealing less to say more. Less access creates more interest. Look at understated brands like Celine or Max Mara. They don't scream for attention. They just let their quality and mystery do the talking. Similarly, modesty is a statement that says, I don't need to show everything to prove anything. So listen, I'm exhausted. The male gaze, y'all can keep it. I'm not dressing for attention. I'm dressing for me. Point blank, period. And let's be real, men don't always think with their big head. And I refuse to be free entertainment for their imagination. My energy is mine, my style is mine, and I'm gonna move accordingly. Don't get me wrong, I love a daring, sexy moment. It truly is a form of expression. But there's also something sexy about making them lean in rather than laying it all out there. It's like a whisper that makes you want to get closer, which leans into the quiet power effect. Modesty isn't about playing small. It's about making a statement without shouting. I like to call this the quiet power effect, the art of commanding attention with subtlety. Just look at Grace Kelly. Her style was the epitome of timeless elegance. Boat necklines, tea-length skirts, and impeccably tailored clothing that left plenty to the imagination. And with that, her confidence still turned heads. Then there's Emma Watson, who's a master of modern modesty. From caped gowns to high-neck dresses with unexpected details, her looks prove that sophistication is the ultimate power move. She shows us that modesty doesn't mean boring, it means intentional. And of course, Solange Knowles, whose style is all about bold minimalism. She balances high necklines and wide leg trousers with vibrant colors and architectural silhouettes. It's proof that modesty can be just as powerful and rebellious as anything else. The common thread? These women aren't trying to fade into the background. They're proving that when you don't give everything away, you control the narrative. It's not about showing less, it's about making them want more. That's the quiet power effect, commanding attention without begging for it. So, here's how to embrace modesty without losing your edge. Because there's this myth that modesty and edge can't coexist. Like you have to choose between either being a nun or Rihanna. And babe, you can absolutely do both. It all comes down to three things: silhouette, details, and attitude. 1. Master silhouette. I talk about silhouette in just about every video because it's that important. Again, modesty isn't about hiding your body, it's about highlighting it differently. A maxi skirt with a slit serves every single time. Likewise, asymmetrical tops create serious interest without showing excessive skin or body yaddy yaddy. Think strong silhouettes like structured shoulders, cinched waists, and wide leg trousers. These are power statement pieces. Bold architecture for your wardrobe. 2. Elevate the details. Let the details steal the show. This is where textures, prints, and accessories come in. Quality woven fabrics like twill, sateen, corduroy, linen, denim, made of natural fibers tend to have excellent body and durability, and thus can make any outfit feel rich and intentional. Also, embroidery, cutouts, adding layers or statement accessories and shoes can keep things interesting without overexposure. It's the difference between plain and purposeful. And lastly, own your attitude. Nothing is edgier or more intriguing than confidence. Think about iconic figures who mastered this balance, like Audrey Hepburn or even Zendaya on the red carpet. The secret? It's all in how you carry it. Shoulders back, chin up, like you've got a secret worth keeping. Hold back just enough to keep them guessing. Modesty is the power move that can actually make you stand out even more. You already know your worth and you don't have to advertise it. So, whether you're embracing keeping more to yourself, going all out with details, or just dressing for you, remember, do not play small. Take up space. If you're ready to take control of your style narrative, let's talk about it. Drop a star emoji in the comments if you are done dressing for outside validation and are stepping into your main character energy era. I want to hear how you make modesty your power. And of course, hit that subscribe button because baby, this is just the beginning. See you cutie pies next time. Bye.